Hello and welcome to a new project video. It has been a very long time since I have done a project video. Good lord, I think the last one was the river charcuterie tray, or whatever I called it, the river tray. And today I will be bringing you how I made these cool little guitar picks from recycled 3D prints. Because when you 3D print things, the majority of the time, you either print it too small, too big, or something fails, and you end up having, throwing that little piece of plastic in a box somewhere, and you'll never use it. So essentially what I ended up doing today was melting it down and, turning it into something that might be usable. So the first step with that was crushing up all the plastic. What I did is I took a few rags I had lying around the house, and you wrap the plastic in the rags, and all I did was just drop a sledgehammer on it or hit it a few times until it's fairly decently small. It doesn't need to be like dust or anything, but like it just needs to be like small-ish, like small, like stuff maybe this big or smaller. But anyways, after that, my first idea was to put it on a sheet and bake it. Come to find out that plastic sticks to wax paper, so that didn't work. My second idea was to essentially take the plastic and melt it on a piece of glass, where I had sprayed some mold release. And essentially I'd melt it so it's like very thin, I guess. And then I'd take another piece of glass and just smush it. And essentially with that I got 3 or 4 different little patterns from these little like smushed little blobs, I guess. And with those blobs I can take them and put them in a pick punch, which is essentially just a hole punch in the shape of a guitar pick. So you put them in there and you punch them, and then from there I sanded the edges on them and I let Jordan play. He knows guitar way better than I do, because I don't know guitar at all, and he does. So essentially I brought him over here, and he used the guitar pick. Obviously it's not going to be as good as a regular guitar pick, but the majority of it still sounded really, really great. So, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will be releasing day 1 and day 2 of the Asheville vlog very soon, so keep an eye out for that. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Goodbye.
What would be funny is that if anyone plays guitar, like on here, who watches, I start playing Stairway, and you fake beat the shit out of me, because that is a foreboding song within the guitar.
So I just grab your case and just beat you with it?
Yeah.